What's the meaning of crackhead? Crackhead. Crackhead.
Crackhead. Crackhead. The term crackhead is a slang word that is used to refer to an individual who is addicted to crack cocaine, a highly addictive drug derived from cocaine. It is commonly used as a derogatory term to describe someone who displays erratic behavior, poor judgment, and reckless decision-making due to their addiction. Chronic use of crack cocaine can lead to serious physical and mental health problems, including cardiovascular disease, respiratory failure, and psychosis. In short, the term crackhead carries a negative connotation and is associated with destructive behaviors and outcomes.